Hello TEQ Crypto followers, welcome to our video. Today, we will share the technical analysis of Pepe Coin with you. First of all, friends, looking at our chart, we can see that the major downtrend has been broken to the upside, and we can almost say that it happened with a significant breakout in volume. However, it is still moving above the descending trend line. But as you can see, we can also say that it has formed an ascending trend, and the recent volume is really nice. It has surpassed the average volume, so we can interpret this as a positive sign. Additionally, as we mentioned, it is currently within an ascending triangle, and if we were to draw it on the chart, it would look like this, indicating that it is within an ascending triangle. If the movement continues like this, it could eventually break out to the upside and reach higher levels in price. Of course, it is crucial for us to see a break above the 105 level for this to happen. Expecting a significant rise without the upward break of that level would not be correct. After that point, there are no significant support or resistance zones, as you can see. Only at around 0.116, we have a minor resistance zone. If we manage to break above it, it would indicate an 8% increase and suggest the possibility of reaching our main resistance level. So, these levels are important for us. We want to maintain the ascending trend and see the triangle break to the upside so that we can achieve good profits. Furthermore, if we look at the moving averages, currently we are analyzing on a 4-hour time frame, not daily. The 21-period moving average is about to break to the upside, and if it breaks, we can say that it could reach even better levels. We can see signs of a turnaround to the upside. Because the 50-period moving average has broken to the upside and is currently moving above the 50-period, it is important for us at this point. For long-term growth, the 200-day period moving average is crucial. Congratulations on the rise. It is important for the 200-period moving average to break above the 200-day moving average. We can say that, in the long term, in order to achieve good profits, after closing the moving averages, if we look at the Bollinger Bands, currently the middle line of the Bollinger Bands seems to be broken, and the initial target of price movements would be the upper part of the Bollinger Bands. If we look at the past, we can see that there have been significant downward movements in the Bollinger Bands. When held onto the bottom side of the band, a decrease of about 17 to 18% occurred, and similarly, when it held onto the upper side of the band, there was an increase of about 17 to 18%. This would bring us a great profit, and it can rise approximately up to our minor resistance zone. Therefore, it is important for the price movements to follow the upper line of the Bollinger Bands in order for us to achieve a good profit. After closing the Bollinger Bands, let's continue with our analysis using the Fischer Indicator. Fischer actually gives us a pass-buy signal. On June 19th, it gave us a buy signal by creating a breakout, but since then, the price movements haven't shown much of an increase. However, this buy signal is important for us, and we can say that the upward movement can continue until there is any downward breakout. After closing the Fischer Indicator, if we look at our WAV Trend Indicator, WAV Trend is currently giving us a buy signal today. Of course, since the day hasn't fully closed, we need to be cautious. However, considering that it is already close to zero, we can interpret it as a slight buy signal. Until there is any downward breakout, we can interpret that the price movements can continue to rise, even if it's small. Additionally, finally, if we look at our RSI indicator, the RSI has broken above the 50 level, and since it has broken above 50, we can expect to see a nice upward movement in price. This is likely because when the price movements break to the upside, the RSI tends to rise towards 70. Breaking above the 50 level is interpreted as a buy signal. Until the 50 level is broken downward again, we can say that we can see a regular upward movement in price. Of course, the most important thing is for it to reach the 70 level because, as seen in the past, it hasn't quite reached the 70 level. It has only reached levels around 60 to 67. Therefore, in the near future, it is important for it to first break above this level and sit above the 70 level for a while to continue this trend, which will provide us with profits. It's beneficial to follow the RSI above 70. Let's mention that as well. And now, let's slowly come to the end of our video. In this video, we shared the technical analysis of Pepe Coin with you. If you liked the video, you can click the like button. To stay informed about future videos, you can subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos. Goodbye.